Vehicles for Kids. Today, we meet this huge yellow machine called Bulldozer. You can see bulldozers on construction sites. These machines can push sand, dirt, and even heavy rocks. They are very helpful during the construction of new buildings, parks, and circuses. Instead of wheels, a bulldozer has metal tracks. Using these tracks, bulldozer can move on any kind of the road, even if there is no road at all. For example, here is our bulldozer moving on sand, on mud, and on swamps. Do you see this metal part in front of the bulldozer? It is bulldozer's blade. Using the blade, bulldozer pushes everything on its way. Welcome to Vehicles for Kids. This is our cute caravan. A caravan is a van transformed into the moving home. Isn't it interesting? Well, let me tell you a short story. One day, the avocado family decided to spend their summer in the forest far, far away. However, there was no place to stay in that forest because, well, there are only trees in that forest. On that evening, Daddy Avocado came up with a great idea. The next morning, they get in the caravan and hit the road. After 4 days on the road, they finally arrived at the forest far, far away. They spent their summer holiday inside their caravan in the forest far, far away. When summer ended, the family got in the caravan and returned back. Hey, look at you, Eggplant. You have got a nice dark purple car. Can you drive? Oops, look at you, Eggplant. What have you done?